He's out the front. He's at the front. He's naked. Tase him. Tase him. Running southbound. He's naked. Male black.
I have a video on my channel somewhere. I'll look it up and find it and send it to you. Officers were trying to serve a warrant, and the guy that had the warrant was in the shower, and he heard them in the house looking for him. So he jumped out of a back window and took off running. The best part is he was naked, and he only has one arm. So the officers, and they were like probationary officers, they were brand new. They didn't know what to do with the cuffs. Because normally if someone has one arm, we'll cuff it to their waistband or something, but he only had one arm and he was naked. So they're with this naked one-armed dude on the ground and didn't know what to do. It's hilarious.
Get on the ground! Get on the ground! Get on the ground! Taser, taser, taser! Get on the ground! Get on the ground! Turn around, face away from me! On your stomach! Don't move! Taking one into custody. Hold the air. Hold the air.
I'll get the ass.
Yep. What are you doing? You have a warrant for your arrest. For what? He's out the front. He's at the front. He's naked. Tase him. Tase him. Running southbound. He's naked. Male black. Tase him. Get on the ground. Turn around, face away from me. On your stomach. Don't move. Taking one into custody. Hold the air. Don't move. Taking one into custody. Hold the air. Hold the air.
I'll get the ass.
What are you doing? You have a warrant for your arrest. Breaking the news. That's why you ran. No. Anyone here, we got custody? Yeah, I said taking one into custody. I can't breathe. What do you come out a window? Yeah, back window. Side window.
991, you just want anybody else down?
Saw me and then double back.
Anybody else in the park looking for them? 1241 Arkwood.
Alright.
Man, I'm not gonna run, bro.
He did. Hey, what do you mean you're not?
I'm scared, bro.
Right. 140.
Bro, please, man.
You put us
I swear to God, man, y'all, I gave up. I gave up. Y'all got me.
If you guys want to put gloves on. Yeah, please.
Y'all got me.
One at a time.
I swear to God on my mama, I'm not gonna run, bro. I'm not stupid, bro. And everything I love, I just want my clothes. But I swear to God, bro. I'm corroborating. On everything I love, I'm corroborating, bro. I just want to wear my clothes, bro, like a regular human being, and I'll go with y'all. I swear to God.
Should have gone with us the first time.
I mean,
instead of being butt naked in the backyard, looking like this.
Please, man. I swear to God, I'll cooperate.
1 minute, 37 seconds later.
Man, why you saying a bandit like that, bro?
Shirt. Here's some undies. Hey, really?
Come on, bro.
Alright. Just slip the shorts are fun.
I put them on myself, bro.
No.
I think they have his hand.
There you go. And get your other foot in there. Alright. I'll get the old front end whenever you move a little bit. Okay, roll him on his right side.
Huh?
On your right side.
Come on, bro. I'm cool, man. I swear to God, I'm here, bro. I'm not, bro, listen. I'm not gonna run.
Please stop.
He already ran.
Okay, sit up on your butt.
F5, bro. F5, bro. I'm gonna get out tomorrow.
just walk him out just with his hand behind his back like you have.
I just got a
Then we'll
brand
figure
new
out
kid,
something
bro. I'm
once
trying
he's
to
in the
go.
car secure. Put your hand behind your back.
Alarm at 1448 the car.
You know I seen the video too, right? You know I seen the video too, right? Everybody got it.
Okay.
Is that illegal?
I copy. It's the drop is the side and front door. There's a female named
I
Shanique
swear to man, come on,
on
man.
scene. She didn't have a passport.
Is there a way I can get a bond today?
You can do it that when you go down there, all right?
Huh?
We're not in control of that.
Okay, can I put my drawers on?
Not right now.
Alright.
Don't try anything stupid because you will get.
I just want to talk to my mom.
No, you're not talking to your mom.
Can I yell at her? I love her.
Which car is he going in?
Put him in one of these for right now.
If I ain't, that's what it would do.
Go in here.
Love you. If I ain't, I
Go
love
in
you
this
like.
car. Just go in the car.
TV mother go nigga. I
leave
love you. You watch me on TV.
Let's go down there.
What do we do?
Rubes.
I'm trying to, man.
Hey, look. Seriously.
I'm trying to put my pants up, man. Look at me.
And say something. You don't want to run out the house butt naked.
4 and 5.
Then why'd you run?
Why y'all on my? Y'all come y'all harass my mom's house every day. I came for the first time.
All right.
And y'all still on my ass. Why is y'all on that? Huh? Why is y'all on that, man?
You want us to take him or?
Oh, bro.
Alright, you have to be taken down to be interviewed.
That's what it is.
We'll take it.
That's what it is. It's a fingerprint. I'm gonna go home right now. Yes, that's what it is.
Okay.
That's all it is. I ain't never seen a case that's close that got a warrant.
All right.
Come on, bro. I don't want to talk. I don't want to talk though.
130.
I don't want to talk to nobody. I want to talk to my lawyer. I don't want to go downstairs. I don't want to talk to nobody. Can I skip that process?